In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again to select Font Settings and either tap on one of those font styles to change yours right away, or then go back to your default one, or click on Font above Font Settings and check out all of those. You can buy one or pick one of the free ones. Either way, when you do, click on the green button here and then select Apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, my font style has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!